complaint. We had a meeting with the ICC. I requested that the former president be brought directly to a hospital because of his bad medical conditions. It was almost a 24-hour flight. He just came from Hong Kong, not allowed to visit his home, not even allowed to see a doctor in a hospital before he could be transported here. Now, we made the request for a hospitalization, and they gave the assurance that he will be brought to hospital, and I asked for the name of the hospital. Up to now, they have not given us the name of the hospital, so we took the position that he could have been brought here directly, and we are told that there is no President Duterte inside the facility. We are at a loss at this time, and I think this is part of their grand plan, no? To kidnap the president, to extract the president from the Philippines, and brought to a jet without known destination. I was even forced to join the plane without any valid visa coming here.
Sir, can we expound lang when you said that there is no President Duterte inside?
They are telling me that there is no Rodrigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
Okay. You requested for a visit today, and it was approved, sir, right?
We have requested the ICC for a visit because they do not disclose what hospital he was brought to, and we assume that he was brought here last night after the training. That's all I can say as of the moment.
Is it possible he is in a hospital somewhere?
I hope he is in a hospital somewhere, but not in this facility.
He is allowed, according to ICC regulations, any detainee is allowed to communicate. Has he communicated to any of you?
None.
Zero, sir.
We don't have any opportunity. We don't know where he is right now. He doesn't have even have his medicines with him. Sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records yun sa kanya, and sabi he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital, but hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next step? What are the plans?
We are going back to the ICC and ask them where he is right now. Because a family member is waiting here to see him.
Yes. How is the Vice President?
Well, she's waiting.
Okay.
And I would assume the President would want to see one of the members of his family at this
So,
point.
Sec, the Vice President wants to see him. Is there a schedule for her visit now?
That's what we are arranging, but we're at a loss where he is right now.
Okay. So, how about you, sir? Alis muna pa ba kayo?
Gusto ko dito. Pinapalabas nga kami.
Oh my God.
Anong gusto nila gawin? Standby ako dito. Ang lamig-lamig.
Ano po yung response nila sa inyo sa request po kayo for a visit?
Wala. Ayan. Wala daw, request for a visit dito. Wala daw, ano dito. Walang preso by the name of President.
Alright.
Sir, hindi yan totoo kasi
Mamaya na po. Pero sir, the embassy said that you're allowed a visit. Ano kayang pinagmumulan nun?
Hindi. Ano yan? Right ng accuse yan.
Opo.
To be, by counsel.
May schedule sila Thursday, so parang definite.
I don't know with them, but
Right.
ako, as far as my understanding of the law is, he has the right to counsel at any time.
And you're acting as the official.
One of the counsel, and they don't even recognize my appearance here.
Okay.
Nasaan po si VP Sara?
I don't know where she is right now.
Hindi pa po kayo nakita?
Nag-usap lang kami sa telepono, pero wala pang until. So,
Alright.
tapos na.
Okay.
I have
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.